Z9ers here.
With Solstice Exotic!
And we're going to be doing a random video on my... Oh god, I have to go.
Go. I think he just had like explosive diarrhea or something. Boogeyman. What is that? I think he's jerking off in there. Here, wait up.
Where's Jake?
I think he's in the bathroom.
What the hell is your problem? You better stop making noises like that. Do you hear me? Stop being a butthead. I'm gonna come in here and smack you. Because you're acting like a butthead. Do you hear me? Okay. If you make any more noises like that, maybe not. And then they're screaming like that. Look, come here. Listen, if you make noises like that, it will be no-N-O all the time. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Make it real tonight. You're getting your chance. I don't want to have